You don't need more motivation. You need a moment where you finally get sick of your own excuses. Because if you keep living like this for another year, your life will look exactly the same. Look at your life honestly. Not the fake version you show online. Not the version you imagine in your head. The real version. The late nights. The empty bank account. The anxiety. The constant scrolling. The promises you make to yourself that you never keep. Deep down, you already know something has to change. Because this isn't just about money anymore. It's about the feeling that your life is slipping through your hands while everyone else keeps moving forward. And the worst part, you know you're capable of more. But capability means nothing without action. Most people stay stuck because they wait to feel ready. But readiness is a lie. Nobody feels ready to rebuild their life. Nobody feels ready to face failure. Nobody feels ready to wake up early, work harder, cut distractions, and become disciplined. You do it anyway. That's the difference. See, your brain is addicted to comfort. Psychologists call this avoidance behavior. When life gets painful, your brain looks for escape. Netflix, gaming, alcohol, scrolling for hours, overthinking, complaining. Temporary relief becomes permanent destruction. And slowly, you stop respecting yourself. Because every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, your brain hears, I can't trust myself. That destroys confidence more than failure ever could. Confidence is not built by positive thinking. It's built by keeping promises to yourself, one promise at a time. So if you want to get your life together, stop trying to change everything overnight. Start with these 3 things. 1. Fix your environment. Your environment shapes your behavior more than motivation ever will. If your room is a mess, your mind feels chaotic. If your phone controls your attention, your future gets controlled too. Delete the apps wasting your life. Clean your room. Wake up at the same time every day. Small actions create momentum, and momentum changes identity. 2. Stop romanticizing your sadness. A lot of people don't realize this, but they become emotionally attached to being broken. It becomes their identity. The depressed guy, the unlucky girl, the person who never gets opportunities. Listen carefully. Your pain may not be your fault, but healing is your responsibility. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your friends, not society, not some magical future version of yourself. You either take control now, or you stay trapped. 3. Become obsessed with progress, not perfection. Perfection is why people never start. They want the perfect plan, the perfect routine, the perfect moment. Meanwhile, disciplined people just move, even when tired, even when depressed, even when nobody believes in them, because action creates clarity, not thinking, action. And here's the truth most people avoid. Your life will not improve by accident. If you keep doing what's easy, your future will become painful. But if you do what's painful now, your future becomes powerful. So decide, are you going to keep watching other people build the life you want, or are you finally going to become dangerous enough to build your own? This version of you, the distracted version, the weak version, the constantly tired version, it has to die. Not physically, mentally, the excuses, the victim mindset, the endless procrastination. Kill it. Because there is another version of you waiting on the other side of discipline. A stronger one, calmer one, a focused one, and that person is built through daily decisions, not motivation, discipline. So after this video ends, don't just feel inspired for 5 minutes and go back to your old habits. Do something. One action today, one hard decision, one promise kept. That's how people rebuild their lives. And if this video hit you hard, subscribe to the channel and comment, I'm taking control. Because your new life starts the moment you stop negotiating with your old one.